There's a hat on the wall that he used to wear, and a coffee stain still on his easy chair. His boots by the door haven't moved in weeks, and a silence fills the room where he used to speak. I found his watch in the kitchen drawer, letters piling up I can't ignore, and I'd give anything just to hear him say, "Sweetheart, I'm proud of the woman you've become today." He wasn't loud, but he was strong, and in his eyes I could do no wrong. I'll tell you what he meant to me. He was more than words, more than a memory. He was a steady in my shaking hands, the only one who truly understands. Yeah, the world sees just a man I lost, but they don't see what it cost. He was my rock, my family tree. My dad was everything to me. We drive that road past Miller's farm, window open, hanging out my arm, talking about life and what it's all about. Daddy was strict, but he never shout. He gave me strength I didn't see, till all that's left are memories. And I trade every mile I ran for one more day with that old man. Now when that sun sinks low and slow, I hear him in the radio. I'll tell you what he meant to me. He was more than words, more than a memory. He was a steady in my shaking hands, the only one who truly understands. Yeah, the world sees just a man I lost, but they don't see what it cost. He was my rock, my family tree. My dad was everything to me. And I swear I hear him in the wind sometimes, in an old guitar or a church bell chime. And I talk out loud like he's still around, 'cause I still need you like I used to do. I'll tell you what he meant to me. He was more than words, more than a memory. He was a steady in my shaking hands, the only